go down into the abyss and see all this delicious food. Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm so excited. It's about dinner time too, so I am ready actually for a little bit of chow. Let's go check it out, guys. Folks, at the west end of the beach, you'll find all of the street food, everything, guys. I mean, look at this market. It's booming right now. Let's do this. We've got some hot food getting ready to cook up right here. Check this out, guys. The walk's getting hot right now. I think a good name for this place is Walk In, Walk Out, because you get the best food and then you can go to the room and relax. Look at these oysters. My beautiful wife, Linda, this is for you, honey. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, good job, guys. Looking good. That's who doesn't love oysters, right? We've got fresh crab, guys. Look at this here. We got some more oysters. We got some squid. We got everything right here. This is good. You guys got to come down here to Ket Beach and check out Cambodia, guys. This is where it's at right now. Thailand's old. Cambodia is the new Thailand. This is where everybody's coming. Check this out, guys. Fresh on the Barbie. Wow. Oh my God, delicious. Yes, everybody's having a good time here today, guys. Look at this. We got some big squid right here. You know English? Yeah? You want to tell everybody on YouTube how much?
10,000 real.
How much for one?
10,000 real. $8. $10. 3,000 real.
Okay. So as you guys can see, there's so many different prices here, but it's still cheaper than you get at the market. This is where you got to be. Look at this, guys. We got some locals right here. They're going to be getting some good seafood. They're going to have eating some good food tonight. Check this out, guys. Right here, guys. Oh, babies, you guys hungry? Yeah. Yeah, they got the fresh on the Barbie. Look at the spicy, guys. Takeaway. You guys want some takeaway spicy? Homemade right there. Take it home and enjoy it for weeks. Let's go check out some more, guys. Alright guys, I'm still looking for the flip-flops here. I see now we got some more beach accessory. Let's go check it out. I desperately need a new pair of flip-flops, but if you're a lady, man, they've got dresses all over. But when it comes to flip-flops for men, very few. Let's check it out, guys. What do you think, guys? Is it me? Maybe not. Maybe in the 1980s it would have looked good, right? Cut off the sleeves and we'd be right at home. Okay, everybody, you guys know how much I love Buddha Hawk, honey, right? You listen to this one. How much do I love Buddha Hawk? 0. But this lady here, she says she got the best. Look at this, guys. She's got Boke Spicy too. We'll get down there real quick. Hang on, look at this. Oh my God, look at the delicious, guys. Look at that, delicious. This is the Buddha Hawk, guys. Do you have English? Kapik. Okay, Kapik, that's the name, yeah. But a hawk, guys, is like a fine wine, okay? A little bit of Hawk 101 here. The older it is, which basically it's minced fish. It stinks really, really bad because it smells like rotten fish. However, it's used in cooking. You put a little bit in here, a little bit in there, and it adds for flavor. Just like in the West, we would use for like salt and pepper, maybe some garlic. They use Buddha Hawk. It adds a lot of spice, a lot of flavor. So let's check out the spicy here, guys. But yeah, the Buddha Hawk, the older the Buddha Hawk, the better it is. Like an old wine, you know, more expensive. So you get new Buddha Hawk and it's cheap, but it works just as good. So let's check it out, guys. Big bowl of spicy. Look at that, guys. She's doing a great job. Alcantran, thank you for showing. All right, guys, let's check it out. I gotta watch my hair. We got ceiling fans and low-hanging tents here. I don't want to gouge my eye. Let's do this. Here's more fish, guys. Look at this. Who's hungry? Let's look at this. Oh my goodness! Wow, amazing. And she's cooking it right here. Great job, Bong. Great job. It looks delicious. Who doesn't love Cambodian food? I know I do. I like it more than Thai food because Thai food's good, but man, you can do food in Cambodia 10 ways to Sunday. You know, look at this baby shrimp, guys. Who wants a salad? Look at this. Oh my God, who's hungry? Yeah. And we've got some more squid. Look at this, guys. And some shrimp. Look at this. Wow, amazing. Looks so delicious. I'm very hungry now. Alcatraz. All right, guys, we're gonna continue moving on here. Let's get on down the road. We'll get on the moto and we will check out a little further down. Let's go see the beach, all right? Let's go. Well, guys, I had to take my keens off here because I had one in the middle, black ants. Man, those little sons of, yeah, man, they're so small, but man, they pack a punch. I got one in my shoe and I take it off and man, he bit me. Oh, that son of a gun. But anyways, let's get on the moto and let's go check it out, guys, the beach.